The issue of Tibet and the message that Your Holiness brings is not a matter of partisan politics here in Washington. It crosses party boundaries and it crosses sort of governmental bureaucratic boundaries. And the Department of State, which all three of us have worked in, is quite proud of the fact that historically we've been able to support NGOs who have been involved in the development and the preservation of Tibetan culture. We've raised, each of us in our own way, with Chinese interlocutors, the need to have meaningful dialogue with representatives of His Holiness, and pleased to say that 4 of those dialogues have been held. We have here today Undersecretary Paula Dobryansky, who is a very strong, powerful advocate of the Tibetan people and makes absolutely clear to the American people and to the American Congress that we're living up to our responsibilities to the people of Tibet. And finally, I think that you've seen in your visits to Washington, Your Holiness, and most particularly your welcome yesterday, that everyone here in Washington wants to be of assistance in amplifying the message of hope and peace which you bring. Now, all of us have participated in the Department of State in matters Tibet. I think, though, all of us, the 3 of us at least, probably have some regrets that we weren't able to do more. So we'll look to you today, Your Holiness, to give us an idea on what you think the United States should better do, or more, perhaps vociferously do, to support the hopes and aspirations of the Tibetan people.